Mira, nadando al frente de casa.
Their apartment to see if it got flooded, but we can't go over there.
It's starting to get light, but it's still, now it's just wind. The rain stopped, but it's gotta be wild.
Slow down.
Them people left back there in their houses. That was about to go in there.
You gotta stay in the middle. That's what the guy was talking You open your door. You open your door. Over here, the stop sign fell over. This tree broke apart.
Oh, that tree is flooded down there.
How high is it? No, how high is it? Yeah, but to the car. Can you still see the bottom of my door?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you still see my tires?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's my main concern.
I feel like we're on like a boat trip.
Okay, so I can leave.
Okay, we can get out.
Me?
Yeah, I can't leave with my car. It's too low.
I want to see Landstar. See, this is where we used to live down here.
Oh, for real?
Right here.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
used to live
holy crap.
Oh, the whole street's flooded.
Oh, yeah, they're done down there.
Yeah, we
They
used to
are
live in the
done down
cul-de-sac
there.
part.
We used to live on the second floor, the big house.
Okay,
green
yeah.
one? Oh shit. Well, at least I didn't get up to the house. Not too much.
Yeah, but that car down there, whatever white car that is,
They're done.
yeah, their car is.
Which one?
Go straight. A little more. Walk a little bit.
Feel bad for them.
Yeah, it is ours. It's a great car.
Oh no, it'll be fine as long as I don't try to turn on the car.
Yeah.
I know what that is right now.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Well, water's gonna get inside the interior, but as long as I don't turn on the engine, they'll be fine. They'll just gotta have to wait until everything dries out.
Is there zero traffic?
Somebody got stuck. Oh yeah, look at that. That's
Yeah.
all water.
Yep, Lancer's all flooded.
And that's all water over here too. Look, down that way.
Oh, yeah.
Look, all this was all water. So it must have flooded and just washed everything up.
Crazy.
So you can imagine how it looks trying to get there.
Yeah, exactly.
Right now it's just drizzly because it's windy. How's this cul-de-sac?
This one's dry.
Yeah. Yeah, so that one's deep. This one's fine. So I found a new way to heat up my charcoal. I don't know if people do this, but I'm doing it. Heats up the sucker real quick. Yay.